Balabolka is a text-to-speech (TDS) program. All computer voices installed on your system are available to Balabolka. The on-screen text can be saved as a WAV, MP3, MP4, OGG or WMA file. The program can read the clipboard content, view text from documents, customize font and background color, control reading from the system tray or by the global HOTS. Balabolka supports text file formats, AZW, AZW3, CHM,
Turkey has agreed to a
DJVU,
ceasefire in
DOC,
northern Syria
DOCS,
to let Kurdish-led
EML,
forces withdraw.
EPUB,
U.S. Vice President
FB2,
Mike Pence has
FB3,
announced all
HTML,
military
LET,
operations will be
MOBI,
paused for 5
ODP,
days,
ODs, ODT, PDB,
and the
PRC,
U.S. will help
PDF,
facilitate
PPT, PPTX, RTF, TCR, WPD, XLS, XLSX,
an orderly
Balabolka.
withdrawal of
The program
Kurdish-led
uses various versions of Microsoft Speech API, SAPI. It allows to
troops
alter a
from
voice's
what
parameters,
Turkey has
including rate
termed
and
a
pitch.
safe zone on
The
the
user can
border.
apply a special substitution list to improve the quality of the voice's articulation. This feature is useful when you want to change the spelling of words. The rules for the pronunciation correction use the syntax of regular expressions. Balabolka can save the synchronized text in external LRC files or in MP3 tags inside the audio files. When an audio file is played with players on a computer or on modern digital audio players, the text is displayed synchronously.
Safe zone on the border.
At the same way as lyrics for songs.
Turkey has agreed to a ceasefire in northern Syria to let Kurdish-led forces withdraw. U.S. Vice President Turkey has agreed to a ceasefire in northern Syria to let Kurdish-led forces withdraw, U.S. Vice President Mike Pence has announced. All military
Go to Balabolka website and download it. Simply install it in your PC.
YS, and the US will help facilitate an orderly withdrawal of Kurdish-led troops from what Turkey has termed a safe zone on the border.